Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So today we are going to look at how to build an interactive or basic dashboard. So this is the data set that we cleaned in our last video. So if you have not watched that data cleaning video, you can go back to my playlist, uh, Excel Essential, and then watch that. So with that being said, let's get into action. So today you can see that this one is a very huge data set. Okay. So what we're going to do before we can build a dashboard is that we are going to manipulate our way around. So first we are going to plot employment length against uh, total annual income. We come to the home ownership against the loan amount. Then we try to manipulate our way around the purpose of loan, and then look at verification status. So first of all, you copy this column and then copy the annual income. Sorry. Okay. So after copying these two, what we're going to do is we create a new worksheet. Hmm? Okay, so this is the new worksheet. Then we paste it here. Okay. So before we can proceed to perform our uh, function calculation, you have to make sure that these ones are all in text. Okay. You see, this one is there's a method of mathematical numbers, words, and then special characters like less than. So you use find any place to replace them all. Okay. Find any place. So first one is what? Less than 1 year. Less than 1 year. That one we type it in with less than 1 year. Then we hit replace. So we do the same thing for all of them. Okay. Alright, so with that being done, we also have to copy this column again, paste it here, and then find the unique values. Okay, by using going to the data, come to removal of duplicate, select this side, yeah. Then check your data headers, remove duplicate very nicely. Then what we're going to do next is that we are going to use some if function. Some if we go through the whole of this range, comma, where is our criteria? This one, comma, then we go through the whole of this range as well to count the individual appearance of the money. Okay, we hit on OK, then we drag to this end. Okay, then we have to copy these two and then paste them here as values. So now we can delete these four, becomes redundant, we don't need them. Then go to home, then delete. Good. So we are going to do the same thing for the use the data set. For the home ownership and that of the loan amount, the same thing. Okay, we copy the two, we go and paste it there, and then we remove duplicates, then we use some if to perform our tax there. Alright, so with that one also being done, we can also name it here as our annual income, annual underscore income, and then here too as our loan amount, loan underscore amount. So the next one that we're going to use or we're going to see is the purpose of the loan. Okay, you copy the purpose of the loan. Yes, copy it, come here, and paste. At this one, we are only going to count the individual unique text entry, and then we use the count if. Okay, to count the number of times it appears. So I'm going to copy it again and paste it here, and then go to data, remove duplicate, and then I have to remove it. Check this one. Okay. And then I use count if function. Count if, go to the entire range, find the criteria. First one is car, I close it, and then I drag the last one, and then it displays. So I'll name this one as our purpose count, and that's all count. Okay, and then I copy these two again, then paste them as what values. Then I can delete these two, these three. Sorry, delete them, remaining this one. So I'm going to do the same thing for verification status and that of tab. Okay, the same thing. Copy them from the main data set, come here and then uh, check for unique entries, and then I use the count E for all of them. All right, now we are able to extract the needed data entries that we want. So here are them. So we are going to also sort this one, arrange them either from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. So I select the entire column. I come to sort. Then this one is smallest to largest or largest. Let me see smallest to largest. Okay, smallest sort them. Okay, so this one is from smallest to the highest. I come here as well, and then I sort them. I do the same thing for all of them, sorting them using this column. All right, so that one is being done nicely here. So now we are going to create table for each data entry against the other one. So we have the employee length against annual income, home ownership against loan, purpose against purpose count. So we come here and then create table for each. So we click on any of the cells, then we come to insert, then we go to table, then click OK nicely. So we come here, click on any of the cells within this range. Okay, do the same thing for all of them. Okay, so we come to insert table. Okay, all right, so we are done with this one. So the next thing is that we're going to use the pivot table to visualize them and use that one to build our dashboard. So we click on either of the cells, we go to insert, we come here pivot table, then from table we select the first one, and then we come here, click on OK. So OK takes us to a new or fresh worksheet, and then we are going to plot our data entry. So this one is the employment length. You put it under the row. So you have row, column, and values, and then the annual income will become what values. This one contains only two data entries. Okay, and then we come here to visualize it. That is what the pivot chart. So the pivot chart, this one is giving us a very nice uh, column chart. Okay, then we click on OK to visualize it, and then it gives us a very nice visual. All right, so you can also change the title. Okay, by using this chart element, you have flexibility to change anything that you want. This is the chart title. You can take it away or change it. Okay, type in any title that you want to entitle it. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's move on to another chart or another table column. So this one too, you're going to click on any cell. You come to it, insert pivot table, then create a new worksheet. And this one, the home ownership comes to loan amount also comes to value. And then you come here, pivot chart, then you choose this chart. Okay, you choose this chart. That one as well. You can manipulate things as well. And then let's go back here. Sorry, to our data. And then this one to use column chart. Okay, go to insert, then pivot, click it, range, do the same thing. Okay, so we come to the term. So for the term, this is what we're going to use. Okay, the term as well, we go through the same thing. But the term we are going to use do not chart. Okay, do not chart. So the term you come here, pivot, then come to pi. Then you check from do not chart. Do not chart. Click on OK nicely. So this one too, you can manipulate your way by showing the percentage and then okay, nicely shown over here. So I do the same thing for the last one, the verification. But the verification, I'm going to use the bar chart, okay, for verification. All right, so I'm done with all the charts, okay. So what you're going to do is that you are going to finally create the dashboard, okay. So the dashboard, I'm going to create a new worksheet, and then I'm going to insert. I'm going to insert a sheet. This way our dashboard is going to be. This is the sheet that's insert. Make it fix. Okay. This is the sheet. Then I'm going to copy all of them. Control C and uh, come here and then I paste them. Okay. So I'll paste all of them there. Okay. Alright, so I've been able to copy all of them here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give this dashboard a title by inserting a text box. Okay. Go to insert, come here, then I insert the text box here to title it. Okay. Let me see. This one is financial loan dashboard. Then just have to increase the font. Let's see 28. 28 is normal. Then I'll change the background color. Okay, change the background color. And the text was issue fail. Okay, then let me make this one as that of the one that we have here. Alright, so that one has also been created. So what you're going to do is that you're going to arrange them all here. Let's try and then arrange them all. Okay. Alright, so this is our final dashboard that you're having here. Very nicely presented. Okay. So this is how to build a basic dashboard. Thank you very much for having the time to watch this video. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can make more videos. Thank you.